doing, Ricky? Does he like those trail mixes? Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Yes, he is. Is there some on the porch, Ricky?
What's he doing?
He's eating trail mix.
He likes them. He's a cute little guy. You can't get near him on it. He bites.
I don't think he would, but
I don't want him.
We're not going to try.
Not with her.
Oh.
If he bites one of us, that would be something.
Stand still.
No, Anna.
You gotta sit.
Watch, he's
Sit right there.
trying to find him some. Oh, he's got his nut.
Stay back.
You're a raccoon.